Hi all. Today we will see min, max, average, count, countif, all those functions. First I will show you uh, the VLOOKUP once more again how to do, and then we will apply the formulas. Okay, so here you can see all these empty columns. So most probably the question will be to fill this. Okay, so the cost details are given here. So we have to use VLOOKUP. Why? Because we cannot look each. Okay, C means 400. So 400. B meaning B has got 300. No, that is not possible. So we apply VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Our reference will be this, comma, the table array. I will choose the whole table, comma, I need this column. So my column index number will be starting from here 1, then 2, 2, comma, false. I have explained this in detail in the previous video. Enter, I got it. Okay, and then I just drag and drop. So I got the cost. Now discount. Discount is according to the cost they have given the discount, or according to the reference they have given the discount. So again we can apply the VLOOKUP is equal to, either you can just drag and drop from here and change the column index number. That also will work. I will show you. You just drag, see, the column index number is, no, the column index number is changed, meaning it works uh, according to the cost. Okay, so that works. Or we can apply again VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, my lookup value is this, comma, table is this, comma, column index number is 3, comma, and false. Okay, so you get the same. You got the answer. Now, cost with discount. So it is 0 percentage of that, right? So what we need to do, this will be in percentage. So let's change it into percentage. Okay, now cost with discount, meaning this equal to this minus this into this. Okay, so this is the cost with discount, meaning we have to find out the percentage. The discount is given in percentage. Like for example, cost of C is 400 and it has got a discount of 10 percentage. So you have to find out the 10 percentage of 400 and then subtract it. So that is what I did. So this is just basic mathematical logic. So cost with discount is done. Days is this is already given. Number of dives, days in OW venue is given. Now let's see OW venue fee. OW venue fee per day is 18 euros. So per day. So days in OW venue is 2, meaning so that is equal to this into this. Okay, so we get it, and we will just drag. Why this is not coming? Because here the value we refer to is D 10. See, D and 10. Okay, so D10 is the value we referred, and when you go here D11, there is nothing in D11. So you have to absolutely refer this. How to absolutely refer? Dollar. Give dollar sign in front of the row and in front of the column. Okay. So now this is absolutely referred, and now you drag and drop, you get the answer. Here it is 0, meaning number of dives is 0, days in OW is also 0, that is why this is 0. Now tank fee. Tank fee is Tank fee is given like per dive. So one dive cost around 5 euros. So again, it depends on the number of dives. So this is equal to this into this. Okay. So again, I will refer this absolutely so that stays same. Okay. So you can expect questions about absolute reference also. Now the tank fee is calculated. Now what is the total cost? Total cost is you add all the currency, like cost with discount plus fee plus tank fee. Okay, so that is equal to this plus this plus this. You got it. And you just drag and drop, you get the answer. Okay, so this is how you find out using simple formulas or VLOOKUP and all. Now, courses with a cost reference of C, meaning how many courses are there with the cost reference C. So you calculate it using count A. Remember, count is used only to get the number, and whereas count A is used to get the all the values including the text. So we will just we will use count if. Why? Because we have a criteria, and that is C. Okay, so we use count if comma, we need to enter the range, so this is the range, search C. Since C is a text, I give it in inverted commas. Okay, so three cases are there with, courses are there with cost reference C, 1, 2, and 3. Now, highest number of dives, highest or maximum or the greatest or the biggest, the largest, this all has got the same meaning, and we use the function max, M-A-X. Okay, so let's see, maximum, max, highest number of dives. So where is dives? See, here is this column has got the dives. So we will apply the max function. So that is equal to max of, we will choose the range. Okay, and then close the bracket, you get it. So the maximum number of dives in this is 40. And what about the lowest? Lowest, smallest, least, minimum, all has got the same meaning, and the function that we apply is minimum or min, M-I-N. So is equal to M-I-N bracket, you choose number of dives, okay, and close the bracket, and you get the minimum number. See, here we have a 0 entry, that is why lowest number of dives is 0. So this is how you calculate. Now how to take the average? For example, you need to find the average, of tank fee. Okay, let's see how we will find, is equal to average of, you choose that, close the bracket. So this is the average amount. Now if they are asking you to show in with two decimals, how you increase the decimal number with this? See how it is getting increased, how you round it or decrease it, with each step it is getting rounded. See how it is getting rounded. Okay, so this is how you increase or decrease the decimal places. This is how you uh, calculate the average. Now we have two more functions, that is count A and count functions. So count is basically used to count the total number. Like for example, they are asking how many um, different bookings are there, or how many cost reference are there. You can use count A. Okay, so is equal to count A, how many reference are there, comma, close the bracket, and you get it. Okay, so when you're using count A, it calculates all the cells which is not empty, number of cells which is not empty. If you are calculating only count, it returns all the cells that has got a number. So this is the difference between count and count A. I hope it is very clear. Since it has been not asked for the previous years, the average, maximum, and minimum, we can expect that question this year. So please do practice well. Whichever data sheets are available to you, whichever data files are available, you work on it, work nicely on VLOOKUP. Why? Because only with VLOOKUP we can get these all things. Even if we know the highest, maximum, minimum, count and all, they are asking the highest number of dives. The highest number of dives is if it is not given, how you will calculate. So you should know the VLOOKUP or the if function, then only you can fill the table. And then, like for example, they can also ask you what is the total cost. So suppose total cost, that is equal to sum of this. Okay, so this is the total cost. So they can ask you that also. So please do practice very well. Any doubts, queries, any clarifications, please let me know.